Hi, I'm Eva. I was created by Yulia, a professional Russian teacher, to teach you Russian without making your brain explode. Today's topic: how to fight for what's yours in Russian. You're at work, important meeting day. Suddenly, a little girl runs into the office, papers flying, documents everywhere, chaos. Everyone stares. Your boss looks around. Whose little girl is this? All eyes on you. This is your daughter. You need to say, "Sorry, this is my daughter." But how do you say that in Russian without dying from embarrassment? Or, picture this. Office kitchen, lunch break. You open the fridge. Your pizza is gone. Then you see your coworker eating it. Oh God. And smiling. Chewing your pepperoni. You want to ask, whose pizza do you think you're eating? But you'll probably go with, "Pardon, this is my pizza." But how do you say that in Russian? In English? Easy. One question. Whose? Done. In Russian, we like drama. We have 4 questions. Чей, чья, чье, чьи. Because the question has to match the gender of the noun. Guys, your likes and comments work magic. Actual magic. When you like this video and leave a comment, YouTube's algorithm loves it. It pushes this lesson to other people who need it. So if you want this video to help not just you, but thousands of Russian learners out there, like, comment. And if you want to stay connected, subscribe. Takes 2 seconds but changes a lot. In the previous lesson, I covered чей, the masculine form. If you missed it, links in the description. Go watch it. I'll wait. Today we're tackling the feminine form, чья. Before we dive into чья, let's refresh your memory by doing a quick 1-minute recap from our first lesson on possessive pronouns. Чей, whose. This question we use for masculine nouns. Мой, my, or mine. Good news, in Russian, it's just one form. Твой, your or yours. Наш, our or ours. Ваш, your or yours. When you speak politely or to more than one person. Чей это брат? Мой. Whose brother is this? Mine. You're introducing your friend at a party. How would you say, "This is my friend"? Это мой друг. You're standing outside a country house with neighbors. How would you ask, "Whose is this house"? Чей это дом? Now you're ready for the feminine pronouns. Let's go. Quick thing before we dive in. If you love what we do here and want to support us, just scan this QR code or check the PayPal link below. Thank you so much. Чья, whose. We use this question for feminine nouns. Моя, my or mine. Good news, in Russian it's just one form. ТВОЯ, your or yours. НАША, our or ours. ВАША, your or yours, when you speak politely or to more than one person. How to build a phrase. If you introduce someone or something, start with это, then use a possessive pronoun, and then add the noun. Это моя мама. This is my mom. Это моя сестра. This is my sister. Это моя подруга. This is my friend. Это моя сумка. This is my bag. Это моя машина. This is my car. Это моя комната. This is my room. You see a cat wandering in the street near your building. Your neighbor comes outside looking worried. How would you ask, "Whose cat is this"? Чья это кошка? And how would you say, "This is my cat"? Это моя кошка. For a negative statement, just place the particle не before the pronoun. Это не моя сестра. This is not my sister. Это не моя идея. This is not my idea. Это не моя жена. This is not my wife. To ask a question, first use чья and then the noun. But for a more natural question, it's better to add это. Чья это собака? Whose dog is this? Чья это машина? Whose car is this? Чья это фотография? Whose photo is this? Чья это подруга? Это моя подруга. Whose friend is this? This is my friend. Твоя, your or yours for a singular. Это твоя семья. This is your family. Это твоя машина. This is your car. Это твоя квартира. This is your apartment. Это твоя подруга? Нет, это моя сестра. Is this your friend? No, this is my sister. You arrive at your friend's house and see a nice new car parked outside. How would you ask, is this your new car? Это твоя новая машина? You visit your friend's new apartment. They show you around and open a door. How would you ask, is this your room? Это твоя комната? Чья это дача? Твоя? Да, моя. Очень ее люблю. Whose country house is this? Is it yours? Yes, it's mine. I love it so much. Ah, the Russian dacha. Let me tell you something funny about this whole concept. In Western countries, a weekend house is where you relax, right? You lie in a hammock, drink cocktails, do nothing. Pure vacation mode. But a Russian dacha? Oh no, my friends. It's where you work harder than during the week. A typical Russian weekend at the dacha. Wake up earlier than on workdays. Work until 5 p.m. Some may be digging garden beds, planting tomatoes and cucumbers, pulling weeds. Some building a fence. Some repairing the shed, constructing a very high fence. In Russia, fences are super tall so nobody can see from the road. Privacy is everything. Afternoon break. Tea with charlotka, apple cake. The only moment you sit down. And often at the dacha there's a banya, the Russian sauna. Wet steam, but someone will hit you with venix, bundles of birch or oak branches. Your friend whips your back yelling, "It's healthy!" After, you jump into ice-cold water, even in winter. After banya, shashlik time with something stronger than tea. Russians will work bent over all day, then say, "Ah, what a relaxing weekend." This is the paradox. They genuinely believe this is rest. Моя dacha, моя радость. My dacha, my joy. Now you know why Russians say, "Моя dacha," with such love. It's their personal torture chamber rewarded with banya and shashlik. Alright, enough stories. Back to our lesson. НАША. Our or ours. Это наша дочь. This is our daughter. Это наша внучка. This is our granddaughter. Это наша бабушка. This is our grandma. Это наша поездка. This is our trip. Это наша история. This is our story. Это наша работа. This is our job.
Чья это идея?
Это наша идея. Whose idea is this? This is our idea. Это твоя квартира?
У меня еще есть сестра. Это наша квартира.
Is this your apartment? I also have a sister. This is our apartment.
Ребята, вы знаете, чья это собака?
Это наша собака. Чарли, иди сюда.
Guys, do you know whose dog this is? It's our dog. Charlie, come here. You're showing family photos to a new friend. How would you say, this is our family? Это наша семья. You're showing a new employee around the office. They ask who they'll be working with. How would you say, this is our team? Это наша команда. Ваша, your or yours. Это ваша соседка. This is your neighbor. Это ваша тетя. This is your aunt. Это ваша племянница. This is your nephew. Это ваша мечта. This is your dream. Это ваша жизнь. This is your life. Это ваша проблема. This is your problem.
Чья это обязанность? Ваша или моя?
Наша.
Whose responsibility is this? Yours or mine? Ours.
Это ваша фирма?
Это не только моя фирма. У нас семейный бизнес.
Is this your company? This is not only my company. We have a family business. Домик в лесу. Это ваша мечта?
Да. Мы очень любим природу и тишину.
A cabin in the woods. Is this your dream? Yes, we really love nature and peace and quiet. You're in a tense business meeting. The issue clearly belongs to the other team. How would you say, this is your problem? Это ваша проблема. You're walking with friends on the street where they live. You want to compliment them. How would you say, your street is very beautiful? Ваша улица очень красивая.